when a fixed constant k is added or subtracted from each values of the observation, then the standard deviation is unchanged. When a fixed constant k is multiplied or divided from each value of the observation, then the standard deviation is multiple or divided by that fixed constant k. Example 8.8. Find the standard deviation of the following data 7, 4, 8, 10, 11. Added 3 to all the values, then find the standard deviation of the new values. Arranging the value in ascending order, we get 4, 7, 8, 10, 11 and number of data n is 5. X square using the direct method. 4, 7, 8, 10, 11. X square 4, 16, 7, 49, 8, 64, 10, 100, 11, 121. Sum of x is equal to 40. Sum of x square is equal to 350. Standard deviation root of sigma x square by n minus sigma x by n the whole square, root of 350 by 5 minus 40 by 5 the whole square. Standard deviation root of 6 is approximately 2.45. When we added 3 to all the values, we get the new value as 7. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 8 plus 3, 11. 10 plus 3, 13. 11 plus 3, 14. X 7, 10, 11, 13, 14. X square 49. 10 square 100. 11 square 121. 13 square 169. 14 square 196. Sum of x 7 plus 10 plus 11 plus 13 plus 14, 55. Sum of x square 635. Standard deviation root of sum of x square by n minus sum of x by n the whole square. 635 by 5 minus 55 by 5 the whole square. We get standard deviation root of 6, that approximately 2.45. We see that the standard deviation will not change when we added some fixed constant k to all the values. Example 8.9. Find the standard deviation of the data 2, 3, 5, 7, 8. Multiply each data by 4. Find the standard deviation of the values. Given data is 5. Number of data 5. 2, 3, 5, 7, 8. X square 4. 3 square 9. 4 square 25. 7 square 49. 8 square 64. Sum of the x 25. Sum of x square 151. Standard deviation direct method. Sum of x square by n minus sum of x by n the whole square. Root of 151 by 5 minus 25 by the whole square is equal to 151 is divided by 5, we get 30.2. 25 is divided by 5 square is 25. 30.2 minus 25, we get 5.2. Root of 5.2, approximately 2.28. When we multiply each data by 4, we get the new values. 2 into 4, 8. 3 into 4, 12. 5 into 4, 20. 7 into 4, 28. 8 into 4, 32. 8, 32, 20, 28, 32. Sum of x is equal to 100. Sum of x square 8 into 64. 8 square 64. 12 square 144. 20 square 400. 28 square 784. 32 square 1024. Sum of x square 2416. Standard deviation root of sum of x square by n minus sum of x by n the whole square. 2416 by 5, n is 5 number of data, minus 100 by 5 the whole square. 2416 divided by 5 we get 483.2 minus 100 by 5, 20 square is 400, we get root of 83.2, that is 16 into 5.2. Root of 16 is 4. 5.2 is 2.28. Approximately we get 9.12. The old standard deviation is 2.28. The new standard deviation is 9.12. 1, 2. We see that when we multiply each data by some fixed constant k, the standard deviation also get multiplied by k. Ism, if the standard deviation of a data is 4.5 and if each value of the data is decreased by 5, then find the new standard deviation. The standard deviation is given 4.5. In this given observation, each data is decreased, that is minus by 5. The new standard deviation is to find 8 sum. Given standard deviation 4.5. Each value of the observation is subtracted by 5. The new standard deviation is 4.5. From the statement, when a fixed constant k is added or subtracted from each values of the observation, then the standard deviation is unchanged. If the standard deviation of a data is 3.6 and each value of the data is divided by 3, then find the new variance and the new standard deviation. Given standard deviation is 3.6. Each data is divided by 3. The new standard deviation is 3.66 is divided by 3. We get 1.2. The new variance standard deviation square 1.2 square 1.44. Calculation of standard deviation for grouped data. Mean method. Standard deviation is equal to root of sum of f t square by n. F frequency, d x minus x bar, n sum of f. Assumed mean method. Standard deviation is equal to root of sum of f t square by n minus sum of f d by n the whole square. F frequency, d x minus a assumed mean the x bar is arithmetic mean. N, sum of f, step deviation method. Standard deviation is equal to root of sum of fd square by n minus sum of fd by n the whole square into c. F, frequency. D is equal to x minus a by c. A, assumed mean. C, width of class interval. N, sum of f.